A miracle is something that cannot be explained by science or logic, but can only be explained by divine intervention.
I request Sister Umrah from class 10 to have a talk on the topic of miracles of Quran.
Please come on the stage.
उमरा के पेरेंट्स हैं, उमरा सलामुल्लाह समीला के उमरा 10th क्लास है। अच्छा है बच्चा, मेरे पहले से भी अच्छा है, अब अच्छा पढ़ रहे हैं, अच्छा है नॉलेज है बच्चा पहले से अच्छा है। अरबिक और इंग्लिश दोनों पे
रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली अमरी रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। I'm Umrah from grade 10th. Today I'm here with the topic of miracles of Quran. The prophets and the messenger sent to mankind were given miracle by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in order to strengthen their dua. So what was the miracle given to our last prophet? Though Musa was able to divide the sea with his stick of his staff, and Isa was able to mop the birds with the clay and then make them alive with the permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So what was the miracle given to our last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? It is a miracle which, unlike the partition of sea, it is not only experienced by only a group of people but by whole humanity until the last day. It is Quran, the direct speech of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wait, let me repeat it. Quran, the direct speech of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the creator of heaven and earth. I don't think we really understand the significance of these facts. Otherwise, we would treat the Quran differently and try to read the Quran 24/7 and try to figure out what the Creator is saying in His own words. So now, let us see some of the facts in order to strengthen our belief in it, inshallah. The Quran was sent down and will be taken up. The Quran was sent down by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and to Him it will return. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran, Tabarakallazi nazzala al-furqan ala abadi. Blessed is He who sent down the creation upon His servant. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also said, Qul nazzalahu ruhul quddusi ala abadihi. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, say, O Muhammad, the pure spirit has bowed down from your Lord is true. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, in one night the Quran will be taken up and not even a single verse from it will remain on the earth. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught in the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala challenged in the Quran to do something like it. The challenge itself is a proof that the Quran is not a part of the creation. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran, وَإِن كُنتُمْ فِي رَيْبٍ مِمَّا نَزَّلْنَا عَلَىٰ أَبَدِينَا فَأْتُوا بِسُورَةٍ مِّن مِّثْلِهِ وَادْعُوا شُهَدَاءَكُم مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. And if you are in doubt about what we have sent upon our servant, then create a surah that like other of and call upon your witness. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught in the Quran in Surah Ar-Rahman, Allama al-Quran, the merciful taught about the Quran. This great miracle is having superiority from all the other miracles from following aspect. It is permanent and everlasting. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran, it is in the charge of man, and they can witness it throughout the history, the miracles of Quran. And it is also not limited from the aspect of space. It is in the control of one and all every period of time. If one reads the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he goes in the state of peace and tranquility. If one, it is also a cure, and it expels the devil when it is recited. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the hidayat to understand the Quran and go in the right path, inshallah. Jazakallahu khair.